Hello and welcome to my video today. I have a new product that I received from FOCSPROD. This is a Tesla to J1772 adapter that can be used on the Fisker Ocean, which will allow it to have access to Tesla AC chargers such as mobile connectors, wall connectors, and destination chargers. Let's open it up and check it out. Here is the box, Tesla to J1772 adapter. It is compatible with all J1772 EVs, has a max 60 amp and 250 volt AC connection, compact and easy to carry. Let's see what else we have here. We have waterproof and dustproof, temperature control protection, overcurrent protection, short circuit protection, over/under voltage protection, leakage protection, lightning protection, and ESD protection. And also on the back, we have protection grade IP65, and the temperature rating is from -22 Fahrenheit, -30 Celsius to 122 Fahrenheit or 50 Celsius. Let's open this up. Comes in this nice kind of felt-like storage bag. I'll open that up. And here is the adapter itself. Give you nice views all around it. We have on this end the Tesla plug goes in here, and then there is a button here for removal, so that gets locked in there. And this side is the J1772 plug that attaches to your vehicle. On top we have a button with nice clicky sound. So when you press that, that unlocks it so that it can be removed from the charge port. Otherwise, pretty straightforward. The adapter is made from a high-strength polycarbonate, which is flame retardant material, which has good durability and flame resistance. Inside, it uses a high-quality copper alloy interface plated with sterling silver coating to ensure electrical connectivity. It has an IP65 rating, like I mentioned earlier, which is good for weather resistance. So let's go out to the car and hook up the adapter and show you how it works. Here I have my Tesla mobile connector Gen 2, and it's attached to a NEMA 1450 outlet on the wall. And here is the handle. This is the Tesla plug. So let me attach the adapter to it and show you how that works. So here's the adapter, and you can see both ends here. And then I am going to insert this end here. Press on the button here so it snaps into place, and then it is secure. And then we can go over to the car and plug this in. Here we have the Fisker Ocean's charge port. Going to open up the door. Inside we see the J1772 port right here. We're just going to take the adapter and plug it straight in. Let's take a look at the charging. We are around 6.4 to 6.5 kilowatts. And that is at the 32 amp setting, which is the max that the Gen 2 Tesla mobile connector can handle. If I had my Gen 1 mobile connector attached, I would be able to get 40 amps. So there is a difference between the mobile connectors. And I'll press the stop charging button. And that turns off the charging, and now I can remove the plug. When you're done with charging, just press the button on top to release. Sometimes you may need to press the stop charging button in the car first. So let's press this button and then pull the plug out. At this point, we press the button down here and we can separate it from the Tesla plug. And then we can put the adapter away. All right, I'm at a Tesla destination charger. There are 4 stalls here. Here is the one that is nearest my car. I am now going to connect it. Hold the button here. Now it's attached. Now I'm going to plug it into the car. And when I'm done charging, all I need to do is press the button here, give it a few seconds, and then pull it out. Then I just need to separate the adapter and take this with me, and then take the handle and put it back on the destination charger. So when I'm done charging, I'm going to put it back in the storage bag, and then I can place it anywhere in the car. One good area is back in the trunk area, in the little cubby on the left side or right side. Or another good location is in the center console area. You can put it down below here or inside the center console storage bin right there. All right, so that is my unboxing and review of the FOCSPROD Tesla to J1772 adapter. Super convenient to use if you're on trips and need to stop somewhere. For example, say you're stopping at a hotel for the night on a trip and they have Tesla destination chargers but no J1772 chargers. You can easily use this to charge up your car overnight and have a full charge by morning time. So I definitely recommend having an adapter like this in the vehicle. It comes in handy for emergencies and also on long distance trips. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.